If you are wondering what is the best phone you can get this year, then all comes down to your needs. Apple came with the iPhone 14 Pro Max on Wednesday, and Galaxy S22 Ultra was launched back in Feb this year. Having a comparison of both worlds will give you a better idea which one is the best fit for you. There are a couple of things you need to keep in mind while getting any of these devices: performance and storage, design, display, software, battery life, camera features, and price. Apple has proved the performance with the iPhone 13 Pro Max last year, and Galaxy S22 Ultra didn't catch up the performance, but having an A16 Bionic chipset on iPhone 14 Pro Max, there is no match the Galaxy S22 Ultra will compete with the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Galaxy S22 Ultra comes with Exynos 2200 or Snapdragon Gen 1, but these are old processors and cannot even compete with the A15. But if you are a user who don't game a lot, then this could not be an issue for you. Also, both phones comes with the same 128GB space storage model. But Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra comes with at most 12GB of RAM, whereas iPhone 14 Pro Max comes with only 6GB of RAM. When it comes to design, Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is way ahead of Apple. Now there is a personal preference, but Apple make the same design just like the last year iPhone 13 Pro Max and even iPhone 12 Pro Max, but with the slightly bigger camera lenses at the back. But throughout these years, Samsung made a big changes to S-series lineup and getting a perfect fit for Galaxy users. So this is a clear win for the Galaxy S22 Ultra with its modern front and back look. Do you guys know that the Samsung accounts for 80% of the display supply for iPhone 14 Pro Max, which means if we compare both devices' display, it came from the same company. We all know Samsung is at the top when it comes to display, but this time Samsung gave this title to iPhone 14 Pro Max with its new 2000 nits peak brightness, where Galaxy S22 Ultra stays at 1750 nits. But in terms of resolution, Galaxy S22 Ultra have more pixel per inch than the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Galaxy S22 Ultra comes with LTPO Super AMOLED 120Hz display, which can go from 1Hz to 120Hz. And same goes to iPhone 14 Pro Max, just with a different name, Super Retina 120Hz LTPO. Both phones have a top-notch display, but Apple came with a pill hole design with the interactive feature, which is something interesting and never seen on any other phone yet. And if you are choosing between display and need a brighter display, an iPhone 14 Pro Max could be an option, but don't miss your Galaxy S22 Ultra 1750 nits because it is still the second highest. iPhone 14 Pro Max comes with the iOS 16, whereas Galaxy S22 Ultra started getting Android 13 updates. So this comes down to preferences. If you like customization, Android is an option. But with iOS 16, Apple also gave some of the new features with the lock screen and also the always-on display for first time ever in any iPhone. Obviously, we all know the animations on the iOS 16 is much better than the Android, but if we compare this to Z Fold Forward, then we can have a comparison. There is no match when it comes down to battery backup. iPhone 13 Pro Max already beat the comparison, but according to Apple, iPhone 14 Pro Max even gave 2 hours more battery backup than the iPhone 13 Pro Max. So a clear win for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Mention not, but Galaxy S23 Ultra could be a perfect device to compare with the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra comes with the highest resolution camera among these, where it has 108 megapixel main sensor, and iPhone 14 Pro Max comes with 48 megapixel sensor, a big jump over the last year. But there are a couple of features on iPhone 14 Pro Max, like Pro RAW 4K recording and Pro Motion, and that new photonic engine to produce high quality low light images. We all know Apple has an edge in videography over Android phones, and that is a reality. Surprisingly, iPhone 14 Pro Max is cheaper than the S22 Ultra, standing at $1,100, where S22 Ultra is standing at $1,200, which is something everyone thinks about while getting a new phone. Both phones are top-notch, some have great features and others have great performance. Mentioning a special feature of Galaxy S22 Ultra is its new S Pen, so this could be a make or break for some people. iPhone 14 Pro Max comes with a great performance and battery life, where Galaxy S22 Ultra is doing great with the design and an S Pen and a whopping 108 megapixel camera. If you want to know more about iPhone 14 Pro Max interesting features, you can check this video. You guys will be surprised to see this coming to iPhone 14 Pro Max. Well, see you next time. Till then, peace out.